standing on the street. And when I saw you at my mate's place, I thought, what is she doing at my mate's place? How did Dave get a hottie like that to a party like this? Good one day, you're a legend, Dave. I asked Dave if he's gonna make a move on you. He's not sure. I said, Dave, do you mind if I do? He says it doesn't mind, but I can tell it kinda minds. But I'm gonna do it anyway. I see you standing all alone by the stereo. I dim the lights down to very low. Here we go. You're so beautiful. Well, you could be a waitress. You could be an air hostess in the 60s. You're so beautiful. Well, you could be a part-time model. And then I seal the deal. I do my move, I dance the robot. It's time for two, just me and you, and 7 other dudes around you on the dance floor. I draw you near, let's get out of here. Let's get in a cab, I'll shout you a kebab. And I can't believe that I'm sharing a kebab with the most beautiful girl I have ever seen with a kebab. Well, I don't believe. Let's go to your house, we can feel each other up on your couch. Oh no, I don't mind taking it slow, yeah, 'cause you're so beautiful. Oh, you're like one of those girls I've definitely been chatting to in the chat room. Oh, Slut Angel 22 at Yahoo. Oh, you're so beautiful. You're like a beautiful tree or a high-class prostitute. Well, you're so beautiful. Well, you could be a part-time model. Well, you'd probably still have to keep your normal job, part-time model. But I could see you in your undies in a catalog, part-time model. Spending part of the time modeling and part of the time next to me. And I suppose the rest of the time doing your normal job. How's that?